Hello viewers, welcome to Kits Auto and Truck Repair. I have a great announcement that I would like to make today. The announcement is, I'm very excited about this, we are hiring a technician. If you are an A-level technician, apply here. This is a great shop to work at. We have a great environment, we have a great team. You can ask our cameraman behind the camera. Cameraman Matt can tell you. Cameraman Matt, this is a great shop to work at, right? Yes. Anyways, all jokes aside, we have been very busy. We have been blessed. We have a lot of customers. A lot of you have been bringing vehicles to us, and I can't thank you guys enough. We're growing very fast because of you. So we have to grow the Kits Auto team. I'm not looking for an intern. We have a couple interns already. So if you're learning, this is not the right time for you to apply here. In the future, we might need more interns, but right now, we need someone who's gonna come here, who's gonna learn the Kits way, the way we do things, and after they grasp how we do things, they can hit the road, they can hit the ground and start working. So if you're A-level tech, you know what you're doing, you're a professional, you're looking for great pay, you're looking for training, you're looking for a shop that's gonna help you grow and become a better tech, this is the shop for you. We are creating a type of environment here that we enjoy working in. This shop is the kind of shop that I dreamed about working at when I was working for someone else. So come work here if you live in Maryland, if you live in Frederick or Gaithersburg or Rockville and you're looking for a good shop, this is the shop for you to work at. We have great pay. Pay is not a problem here. I tell all my team members that we treat each other here like self-employed people. So if you come over here and you work hard, everybody here works hard. If you don't work hard, you're probably not gonna last here long, okay? Just the way we work, you are going to work hard because we push each other and we encourage each other. So you can make as much as you can or as much as you want as long as you put in the hours and you put in the work. The work is here. We have great customers that want to bring business to us and we take great care of them. So we take care of ourselves as a team and we also take care of our customers. So come over, apply. Cameraman Matt is going to put our email over here on the screen. Once again, if you're a technician looking for a job, we want you to apply and I want to meet you and interview you. So thank you for watching. Thank you for being here. If you're not a tech, but you know a friend or someone who's a technician who's looking for a job, please let them know about us. Send them our way. We would really appreciate it. Cameraman Matt, thank you for being behind the camera. Everybody, let us know if you're looking for a job. I can't wait to get your applications. Thanks again for supporting us. Thank you for being here. See you guys next time.